Most people get this wrong. They assume Swift Pay Patriot is just another BNPL or payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a versatile platform offering fast cash, installment options, and spending insights all in one place. Here's how it works. Swift Pay Patriot allows users to request a short-term advance or split payments for urgent expenses. Funds are often available within hours, making it perfect for car repairs, medical emergencies, or unexpected bills. The app provides clear repayment schedules, reminders, and notifications to prevent missed payments. Another advantage is the financial tracking feature. You can see upcoming obligations, track repayment progress, and monitor overall spending. This turns Swift Pay Patriot from a simple cash advance app into a mini financial management tool. The downside? Overuse can get expensive. Frequent borrowing for everyday expenses can quickly add up in fees. The key is to use Swift Pay Patriot only for emergencies or planned short-term advances. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment dates carefully. 3. Use the tracking tools to stay on top of your finances. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or prefer flexible payment options. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Swift Pay Patriot in 2026 is fast, practical, and flexible, but only when used wisely. Treat it as an emergency tool, plan repayments carefully, and monitor spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and financial tips.